finding our way to tree pose. Thinking about first rooting down through both feet, finding our mountain pose. And now shifting our weight onto our right foot, gently lifting the heel of the left foot, starting here, grounding down through that right foot. And now moving into our first level of tree, keeping toes on the floor, we draw the left heel to the right ankle. Breathing here. If we choose to deepen the posture, we have the option to move the foot to the calf, taking the arms out to the wide T. We also have the further option of bringing foot to the thigh or taking arms overhead, or both. Remembering we only move foot to the thigh if we can completely clear the knee. Breathing as we're here. Releasing the arms, release the foot. We're going to do a little shimmy to shake that all out and switch sides. Weight now comes onto the left foot. And again, feeling that grounding through that left foot. Then right toes to the floor, right heel to the ankle, opening the knee if that feels okay. And again, the simple progression. If we feel rooted and strong, foot comes to the calf, arms to the wide T. And the final option, a foot to the thigh and arms reaching up. Same thing. If you can bring the foot to the thigh, completely bypassing the knee, we can go there. Otherwise, staying with foot on the calf. Releasing the arms, release the foot. Again, that little shimmy to shake it out. For those preferring our seated option, making sure that we're firmly established in our seat, we're going to lift the left knee. And again from here, if we choose, we come up onto the toe only of the right foot. So this becomes our balance work. And then setting both feet down, maybe bounce them out a little bit, shifting sides, lifting the right foot, hands releasing. And then if we choose, coming up onto the toe only of the left foot. Again, breathing here, feeling the work in our, little bit in the core, but a lot of work in the thighs. And breathing. And release. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.